Okay guys, I'm back. Let me move this to the side. And we have our second Happy Mail. And this one is coming from Crafting with Fury from Miss Diane. And I didn't get to cut this one open yet. So she had a live, I think it was a week ago, 2 weeks ago maybe. And I kid you not, I was even late to the live, but she had some questions and I answered one of the questions. And I won a prize. I won a prize. And so here it is. Oh, so pretty. Yes, with the Valentine's Day bag. I love those hearts. I love hearts, period. But anyway, this is what I won. And let's see. There's a little note. It says, thank you. So cute. Hey sweetie, congrats on winning a stamp in my live with Cherish. I really appreciate you stopping in. God bless. Diane. Very cute. It was a fun live. You know, she went live with her nail artist friend, and I think at the end they were at, or in between the video or the live, I mean, they were asking questions and stuff like that. And her prizes were stamps. And look at this. Gorgeous. It's a Prima marketing stamp, so it's a cling stamp, and I believe this is a large. Oh yeah, let's see this baby, because wow, it is huge guys. So the size of this packaging is the size of the stamp. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous, Miss Diane. Thank you so much. She is gorgeous. Yes. I'm being super loud because I just want to make sure you guys can hear me. But this is beautiful. That's what I look like when I'm sleeping. If you believe that. Anyway, I'm going to have fun experimenting, coloring with this, because this is beautiful. Diane, I love it. Thank you so much, my friend. I don't even know what to say. This is not a cheap stamp, I believe. If I'm mistaken, somebody correct me, but I don't think this is no $2 stamp. As huge as this is, and being that it's Prima, this is not a cheap stamp. So I am really grateful and thankful for you, Miss Diane. Guys, she goes live once in a while, so I catch her. If I see her, I'm going on her live, because she's, one, so funny, and two, she is so loving. Like, she's so supportive of everyone here on YouTube in the crafty world. You just can't help but love Miss Diane. So please go check her channel out if you're not already subscribed to her. She's an amazing lady, very kind, very generous, and she's so supportive of everyone. So what more reason to go check her out, right? Well, thank you, Diane, and thank you, Cherish, for your wonderful live. I really enjoyed myself, and I really wasn't planning on winning anything. I was just there to have some giggles with you all. And thank you all again for coming back and watching and supporting and checking out all the other ladies that I suggest. You know, that's what this whole community is about, is helping each other, lift each other up, and helping, you know, those who are still trying to grow, which I'm one of them. So I love you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.